Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix Steam not opening on PC. Here are the steps to fix Steam not opening on your Windows PC. First, restart your PC to clear temporary glitches. Right click the Steam icon and choose Run as Administrator. Unstuck Steam processes by opening Task Manager. Find SteamX, then click End Task. Make sure internet connection is working properly. Disable VPN or proxy, as these can block Steam from opening. Temporarily turn off your antivirus or whitelist Steam. Some antivirus programs block it. Open the Steam folder and delete the package folder. Steam will rebuild it. Make sure Windows is updated by going to Settings, Windows Update, then click Check for updates. Update your graphics drivers, like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Reinstall Steam by downloading the latest installer. Your installed games will stay as long as you don't delete the Steam Apps folder. If Steam still won't open, restart your PC in safe mode with not working and try launching it again. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.